Son of a bitch, man. That's impressive. Sick, bro. Oh man. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Salvage Secrets channel. I know it's been a while. I'm excited to see you guys, and today is a very special day because we just cracked 1,000 subscribers. Yes, we have like 1,002 subscribers right now, and I'm very excited about that because even though it doesn't seem like a big number, but it's way bigger than zero, you know. and that's even considering that we don't really post as many videos as we should, you know. Like I think last video we uploaded was like 4 months ago, and people still keep subscribing, keep watching our videos, which tells us that what we teach you guys and what we show you is actually something of value. And so now I'm actually more motivated to do more videos because I see we have 1,000 subscribers, so I have to produce more videos, and I'll try to do that. See, main business, our main business here in Eurotech is actually rebuilding and selling cars. That's what we've been doing, and we have like 30-35 cars in stock, and we only have three guys working, you know, including me. So that's why, you know, sometimes we can't keep up. It's just too much work. We have to get cars, look for cars, order parts, sell them, you know, like do all the paperwork. And sometimes, you know, all this stuff gets in the way of us making videos. But I promise you guys, I'm gonna try to do my best to post more videos and to show you more of what we do, because I know you guys are watching and I know you like it. And yeah, right now we're actually gonna go celebrate with a nice bottle of vodka. No, I'm just kidding. One of our customers gave us this as a gift. Shout out to Pavel. He bought like 3 cars from us already. Thank you very much. So right now, guys, I have a special treat for you. We're gonna show you one of our latest rebuild projects. It's a 2016 Dodge Challenger that we did for one of our good friends, Anton. And it, you know, actually we did it a while ago, but we're gonna show you the process of how we got it, we fix it, and then finally test drive. I think we're gonna break it down in like 2 or 3 parts. And right now we're gonna show you how we bought the car. Basically, we bought it at IAA. We'll show you the process of how we got it, and then unfortunately, you know, we filmed couple more videos of when we got the car and we unloaded it and the walk around, and somehow it got lost. I don't know why or how, but we just can't find it. So you're gonna see the videos of us buying the car, and then the next video is gonna show you basically when the car was still damaged, you know, and after that we're gonna bring it to the body shop and have the work done. So enjoy, guys, stay tuned. And oh, one more thing, by the way, a lot of people asking me like, oh Andre, I want to buy a car, can you help me, or can you buy me a car and rebuild it and things like that. Unfortunately, at the moment we do not offer that service. We're working on it, and we're thinking like if we can pull this off somehow and like trying to figure it out. But for now, if you're interested in buying a rebuilt car, you can check out our website. The link should be in the description of the video. It's etautocorp.com, where you can see the cars that we actually currently have in stock for sale. So if you're interested, definitely check it out. And also just recently we're implementing a new service where you can actually schedule a call with me and ask me questions. So I don't know how we're gonna do this exactly, but we're gonna put a link in the description as well, where you can click on it and actually schedule a call with me. I think we're gonna do it for now for free. You know, I'm not gonna charge anything. I'm just gonna take like a day, or you know, a day or so out of like a few hours a week dedicated to this, and actually, you know, take your guys' questions and you know, you can ask me anything you want. If any advice on buying a certain car or something, any questions you might have. So definitely check it out in the description. Alright, so with that said, I'll see you guys. Right now you're gonna see the 2016 Dodge Challenger rebuild project. Enjoy. Up on the block. Next. Nervous sigh of the customer. Let's see what happens. Alright, let's see. No sound, but it's okay. We don't need sound, right?
We don't need sound.
There's only 2 people.
Seriously?
12-5, we're winning so far.
12-5?
12-5, yeah.
Okay.
Nobody's bidding. There was one guy, he put a pre-bid like 12-4. Yeah, we got it for 12-5.
Nice.
But I don't know if they're gonna sell it. I can hear what he said, but hopefully, yeah. I don't see why not. Let's see.
Okay, Anton.
Yeah, we got it.
We got it?
We got it, 12-5.
Plus fees.
Congratulations, sir.
Okay, so.
Alright, so you just saw the actual video of us buying the car for Anton. He actually found a couple of different ones. Before that, we tried to buy him, it was a 2019 also Challenger RT Scat Pack, the yellow one. Went for way too much money, like $3,000 or $4,000 more than he wanted to spend. So we got him a 2016 Challenger Scat Pack with a stick shift. It had about 41,000 miles. We bought it actually in Arkansas, and it cost us like $800 to bring it to New York. We bought it sight unseen, so we didn't, we just relied on the pictures basically to estimate the damage. We saw it had some front end damage, the airbags deployed, but it didn't look bad in the pictures. And as I mentioned before, the video of us actually getting the car and loading it and inspecting it unfortunately got lost. So we're gonna walk around the car and show you a little bit later, after we already got it and after Anton looked at it and things like that. But we got it for a good price. We paid $12,500 plus auction fees. Anton actually wanted to pay like, I think it was like $14,500 or $15,000, so he was pretty happy about that. So yeah, so let's move on with the rebuild project, guys. All right, guys. So Anton bought a new set of rims for this car.
Here we go.
And now is the moment of truth. We want to make sure they actually fit on the car and not gonna rub against anything. Hopefully it's gonna work out.
Yeah, seems fine.
It's good.
Might need a little spacer over here, not to rub. This side seems fine over here. Might need a little spacer.
Seems alright.
Yeah.
What do you think, senor?
Looks okay to me. But,
The only thing over here, right?
yeah, you might gotta put
Spacers, right?
Little
Like
spacer,
5
yeah.
millimeter?
probably like a put over nature.
Yeah, I'll do
All right, looks
Looks
like
good.
looks like we're lucky today, right?
that. Front one's fit, back one's fit. Seems like a win.
Looking good. This car's gonna look sick. We're about to put it on the lift, guys, and start the real work on it. So we have to change the subframe. This is bent. Change the left front suspension, and this car is gonna be driving very, very soon.
Now, here's a question. Those spacers that just go on the hub, just over here, right?
All right, guys, the day has finally come, and the Charger is on the lift. And Senor Henry is about to replace the suspension and the frame, the subframe. It's a big job. Probably gonna take us, I would say probably more than a day, right, Senor?
Maybe 6 hours.
Maybe 6 hours.
6, 7 hours.
All right. So, what's the scope of the work, Senor?
Well,
What do we have to do?
the frame is the undercarriage is a little messed up, so we're gonna put a new one.
It's damaged,
there.
right?
Brand's
Yeah.
packing new from the dealer. But the structural frame of the car itself is good.
Just this, I see the reinforcement is bent.
Yeah, the reinforcement, but other than that, it's fine.
The frame rails are straight,
Yeah.
so we have to replace the whole suspension, the whole knee, because everything is either bent or broken, and replace the subframe, which we got brand new from the dealer. You see it right here. And after that, the car is gonna be driving. Our friend Anton cannot wait.
Hey!
He kept asking us when this car's gonna be, when are you guys gonna start working on this car? So we had to do it, start doing it, because he just can't wait anymore. All right, so I'll check with you guys later. Wow, Senor Henry is fast. Look at that, the frame is already down. I was here like half an hour ago and the thing was still in. I don't know how he did it, but it is a new one, guys. It's about to go in. As you can see, this one is, well, you can't really see, but it's definitely damaged.
No, on that side is damaged. The other side.
This side? Oh yeah, you see over here. The engine is hanging up in the air right now, right? Kinda. Can't see it from the top. Senor, you excited about this project?
Yeah.
Yeah, just like any project. All right. Wow. Senor, how is it going?
Good.
What is all this stuff? Spare parts? It's gonna be done today, you think?
I'll try.
Wow, this thing is looking really good, man. Really nice. Almost ready.
Good.
All right, guys. And the beast is alive. Yeah, baby. Woo! Senor, you are the man. Next stop is the tire shop. Next door. Oh, he's putting it here?
Nice exhaust sound. It's very good sound.
Yeah, baby. Tomorrow it's gonna have new wheels and tires on it, guys. Nice. All right, guys, we're in the middle of our Challenger rebuild project. As you can see, the suspension is fixed. We changed the subframe, put new wheels on it, and Anton is back here. He can't wait to drive this car, so he's like keep checking on the progress. What do you think so far, man?
I'm pretty happy. Like we discussed a little earlier, that I was worried about the actual rims not fitting,
Right.
which fit perfectly. Then I was a little afraid that the rear tires wouldn't fit because they're bigger than the original ones. That worked out as well. Little, pieces here and there. There was unexpected repairs, nothing crazy. But overall, I'm already happy with the look. It has no front.
Yeah.
So,
but the rims look really sick so
the
far.
rims look great. That's a whole good thing about rebuilding it from the ground up, because you could put stuff you want on it.
Yeah, man.
Instead of the stuff that's originally on it. So
make it the way you like it. And the good thing is also we were able to reuse the tires from the back. We put them on the front rims because the rims he got were like wider a little bit. But so yeah, so far it's nice. And actually right now it runs and drives, guys. So maybe Anton will
I will
give
definitely run it and drive it.
he'll give it a
Hopefully
little
down to the ground.
yeah, yeah. He'll drive it a little bit and, you know, just to see, to get a feel, you know, a feel for it. And so far, you know, budget-wise, looks like we're staying close to the original estimates, right?
Yeah, very close.
Very
like
close.
I said, a couple of small things here and there, but overall, you know, I'm at about where I want it to be. So
Yeah.
I'm happy.
So looking good. All right, man, take it, give it a little, you know.
There we go.
All right. See if. Ooh, I love the sound, man. It sounds sick, man. Don't drive too far because obviously there is no nose on it, but yeah, this thing is alive. It looks sick in my opinion. Nice, nice. Yeah, this guy is super anxious, man. He just can't wait for this car to be ready, and I don't blame him, man. I don't blame him. I love the sound of the exhaust makes. It's just sick. Yeah. Yeah. It definitely looks a lot better now. It looks a lot better with the frame and suspension on. All it needs is basically the body work. So we gotta get the headlights, radiator support, bumper, grille, fender, and the main thing is the airbags. Obviously, you know, we have to change the dash.
I'm in love.
You're in love, huh? Yeah, man. I don't blame you, man. It's gonna be a lot of fun to drive this thing, I'm sure. A lot of fun. All right, guys. So we're gonna take it to the body shop, get all the parts, and in the next video we're gonna show it to you, hopefully completely repaired. And Anton will take it for a real test drive, not this semi-test drive. So we'll catch you guys in the next video. That's right. Cool, man. All right, see you guys later. Bye.